In this video, you will learn how to properly install your new Goodyear Ultra Beam wiper blade onto a 1/4-inch side pin wiper arm. Step 1. Locate the base adapter that is pre-installed in the center of your wiper blade. It's 1.5 inches long and it tilts up and down. With your index finger, press the front end of the adapter all the way down so that the back end tilts upward. Step 2. Bring the wiper blade up to the wiper arm, making sure the arrow located on the base holder is facing towards the pin of the arm. Line up the pin with the second hole of the base holder. Step 3. Insert the pin 3/4 of the way into the second hole of the base holder. With one finger holding the front of the adapter in place, take your thumb and press down on the back of the adapter until you hear a click. Step 4. Remove the squeegee protector and gently bring the wiper blade onto your windshield to complete the installation. Thank you for choosing Goodyear wiper blades. For further assistance, please visit our website, www.goodyearwiperblade.com.